This is Red Yume and my Dark Elf Angela Elune doing BJD Addicts prompt number 2, Hobby Fears. If you've noticed, we are both wearing the same outfits from prompt number 21, Supernatural, so if you haven't watched it, go ahead and do that, but we are recording them on the same night. Go back and watch the Supernatural prompt. I am recording them both on the same night, because I have some time on my hands and I've been working on cosplay commissions all day and I just can't do any more sewing. So prompt number 2, fears. This should be a quick one because they are few, far between, and extremely frightening, at least for me. And I made a list. Lists make things easier. My number 1 fear is theft. I am afraid of people taking my dolls. Not while I'm at home, but I go to a lot of cons. I know the community pretty well through cosplay, and while there's some really amazing people, there's also a lot of jerks and a lot of liars and a lot of thieves. So yeah, for me that is a huge concern, is them somehow getting past my radar and stealing my doll. Another big fear is damage. They're made out of resin, they're pretty tough, but they have really delicate little fingers, really delicate little faces, and, you know, somebody falls over, goes crunch, and the first thought is, oh god, did anything break? So that's a big fear of mine. Another fear is having a really drastic change in my life that would force me to sell my dolls. That, as unlikely as it is, that's one of those things that's kind of like, that's a fear, is, you know, how bad do things get before you start selling off the things that you love, and would things ever get so dire that I'd have to, you know, sell one or more of my dolls? That would just be heartbreaking. So that is, irrational or not, that's a fear. And lastly, loss, in whole or in part, while shipping or moving. You know, show up at a new house, open a box, something's missing. Ship something off to get a face up, or order new parts, or send off old parts, or however it goes, and it gets lost in the mail or lost in the moving truck. That would be devastating, and I fear that as well. And I think I'll probably fear that more as I get more dolls, because it's one thing to take 2 or 3 and kind of gather them up and take them to their new domicile. It's something else entirely when, you know, there's 10 of them and you have to pack them all up and make sure they're all safely stowed away, and then you show up and you're doing a head count and there's only 9. That would just be terrible. So that is, I think that's my last fear. This is Red Yume and Elune signing off for BJD Addicts prompt number 2, Hobby Fears.